All right, so now we're ready to begin a new project in Noodletools. So I'm going to first click on this green New Project link. I will type in my topic, which I'm going to choose the Pueblo Revolt of 1680. Choose Chicago Turabian, that's what we use for history. And also we want to be able to cite at a much more robust level, so I will click on the Advanced Comprehensive Coverage Guide. I hit Submit. Let's skip down to the sharing and collaboration part of your dashboard. And here you will type in under Project Inbox the name of your teacher and your class and your period. Also type in your name. It's always good to know that we're at Hogwarts and not at America's High School. And then you're going to click Done. What this does is it allows your work to now be submitted to your teacher so they can see in real time your citations, your note cards, and any research questions that you develop. So the next step is we're going to come up to our project details in our dashboard, and you're going to write out 3 questions that you submitted to your teacher. So I have my example here. How did the Pueblo Revolt of 1680 provide 12 years of lasting peace in New Mexico and Texas? And to save your research questions, just click out of the box, and it's automatically saved. We will later add our thesis statements, but that will probably be a couple of more weeks before we add that to your Noodletools account. In addition, when you come down to this links, now I'm in teacher view so you cannot see it, but I do have links set up for you for quick reference. You will see those links after you share your project inbox with your teacher, which was our first step in this video.